a blizzard last night, so now that the wind is done blowing, the snow is done falling, we are giving all of the cattle a fresh bed. Cattle will usually stand through a storm, so we wait until the snow is done, and then we'll give them a fresh bed so they can lay down. They're tired, they're ready to rest. My mom is in the bale buster. That machine takes the bales, it spins them, and then she has a gate so she can decide if she wants to windrow the material so that cattle can eat it. We usually feed alfalfa like that or other grass hay bales before we start the feed wagon, or she can use the gate to spread the material out into a fluffy bed. So it kicks up quite the dust and is one of the machines that we use quite often out here on the farm.